Delicious fruit-filled coffee cake recipe by Breakstones. Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have a treat for all the coffee cake enthusiasts out there. We're going to show you how to make a mouthwatering fruit-filled coffee cake using Breakstone's products. This delectable recipe combines the goodness of creamy cottage cheese with sweet fruit filling, creating the perfect balance of flavors. So, let's get started. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. For the cake batter, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 1 cup Breakstone's cottage cheese, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup milk. For the fruit filling, 1 cup mixed fruits, blueberries, raspberries, or your favorite fruit, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Instructions. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round baking pan. Prepare the fruit filling. In a small bowl, combine the mixed fruits, sugar, and cornstarch. Toss them together until the fruits are evenly coated with the sugar and cornstarch. Set the bowl aside. Prepare the cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt until well combined. Incorporate the wet ingredients. Add the softened butter, eggs, Breakstone's cottage cheese, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Slowly add the milk while stirring until the batter is well combined. Assemble the cake. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Spread it out evenly using a spatula. Then, spoon the fruit filling over the batter, ensuring it covers the entire surface. Add the final layer. Carefully pour the remaining cake batter over the fruit filling, covering it entirely. Use a spatula to smooth out the top. Bake the coffee cake. Place the baking pan in the preheated oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool and serve. Once the cake is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delightful fruit-filled coffee cake recipe made with Breakstone's cottage cheese. This cake is the perfect treat to enjoy with a hot cup of coffee or tea. The combination of moist cake, creamy cottage cheese, and sweet fruit filling is simply irresistible. Remember, you can customize the fruit filling to your liking, so feel free to experiment with your favorite fruits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy baking, and until next time, enjoy your scrumptious fruit-filled coffee cake.
Indulge in the sweet aroma of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies with the Cookies Baking Crew mug. This charming mug is perfect for all baking enthusiasts, featuring a delightful crew of rolling pins and light bulbs. Sip your favorite beverage while dreaming up your next culinary masterpiece. With its whimsical design and durable construction, this mug is a must-have for any cookie lover. Treat yourself or gift it to someone who loves the art of baking. Cheers to delicious creations.